started a business because they were really super passionate about chasing down receipts or invoices or getting people to file expense reports. That's why we built Outpave. There's a better way to do it. We're going to show you how to do it right now. One of the things we care about most is making sure everything you need to effectively manage your program is right in front of you and easy to find. When you first log in, you'll see the ability to approve card requests, issue new cards to your team. Those quick actions are always at the top, so it's easy to find them. You'll see your Outpave balance, the ability to transfer funds in and out or set an auto balance, the latest transactions in your program, and a quick view of analytics to see exactly where your money is being spent over any time period that you select. Now that we've seen the dashboard, let's talk about how easy it is to add users to your account. When you first log in, you'll go to users on the left-hand side here. From there, we'll hit add new user, type in the necessary information, and then pick a user role, such as admin, employee, contractor, or manager. And that's it, you're done. No complicated processes to add your employees or your contractors or anyone you work with to Outpave. Simple, straightforward, and right to the point. Now let's talk about how easy it is to assign cards to your users in Outpave. The first thing you're going to do is go to the card section on the left-hand side, and then you can hit create new card. Search for the user you want to assign a card to, select them, and then pick a preset or create a custom card. In this case, we're gonna assign a fuel card. Next, we get to set the daily and monthly limit. We can also limit what merchants the card can be used at. In this case, I want this card only to be used at Love's. So let's go ahead and look for Love's, select it. You'll see the company's logo and their name. This will limit the card where it can only be used at Love's travel stations. We'll hit next. You have the ability to nickname your card, and we can choose if we want to issue a physical card or a virtual card. I'm going to issue Ron a virtual card, which allows him to instantly assign the card to his Google or Apple wallet straight from the Outpave app. But let's say I've got a subcontractor I'm working with, and they can't always front the cost of materials needed to do the job. Reimbursing them later is always a pain, but we can solve that right up front. Here's how. First, I'll click Create New Card. I'll search for the user or select them from the drop-down. On the configuration, we'll select Custom for this one, then decide on a total limit. Let's set this one at $1,500 for this job. Next, I'll control where this card can be used. In this case, I only want purchases to happen at Lowe's and Home Depot, so I'll set those merchant restrictions. This ensures the card won't work anywhere else except for those merchants. But the real magic happens when we tie this card to your accounting system. In this case, I'm going to set the category of these transactions to equipment. Then I'll go over the allocation and pick a project and the project that I'm working with. From here, I'll hit next, choose whether the card is physical or virtual again, and then hit submit. And that's it. The card instantly shows up in the subcontractor's Outpave app, ready to be added to their digital wallet. Now they can buy what they need with no out-of-pocket hassle. The card instantly shows up in the subcontractor's Outpave app, ready to be added to their digital wallet. Now they can buy what they need with no out-of-pocket hassle. Every transaction is categorized, linked to the project, and syncs right to your accounting software automatically. And that's it for this quick demo. Hope you guys enjoyed a look at the new design. We've got even more exciting features coming soon as we keep building the future of finance for companies just like yours. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.